All right, guys, welcome. We are back at the airport, and guess what? I am flying a 3-leg turn with one of my best friends in the whole wide world.
What's up, guys?
Marcus.
How y'all doing?
Look at this though. We're flying a 3-leg turn. 3 legs. That's all we're doing. He's got his entire 3-day bag.
One for each leg. Hey, the difference is he's gonna get JA'd. I'm not.
That's probably true. I got my turn bag here, and we've all known in the past I have been caught with nothing. So we'll see. All right, guys.
Hopefully it doesn't happen to anybody.
That's right. All right, we're gonna head to Las Vegas, and then San Diego, and then back to Phoenix. It's a real easy one today. We're gonna fly with my boy.
That's right.
All right, we'll see you at the airplane.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Boy, look at Mark work. Yep. I never knew how much I worked until I upgraded.
That's right. That's the major benefit, right? You
That
can
is.
sit there and watch me make
I'm just watching him work,
Like, hurry up, man.
and then I'll sit down here in about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna go for a walk though.
You should. Go get a coffee,
Yes.
come back just
We're
before
back.
first.
Yes. I still haven't been told where the Captain Hangout place is yet, so still looking for that.
Susie, and you can't tell anyone once you
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm still trying to earn my stripes here, so they haven't granted me access yet, but I'm waiting. Like a good soldier, I'm just soldiering on.
Isn't that what the free food and the free money?
Yeah, that's what I heard. I have not gotten to that location yet, so yeah, maybe it's like a probationary period. They're just checking me out.
It's the VIP section of the club.
That's right. So this thing came in, it was international, so it came in from Cancun or something like that. So, you know, obviously our last trip that you guys saw, we ended up on the B side of the gates. So what they do is they do, you know, their international sweep, all that good stuff. They hook it up to the tug, and then you get over here. And now we're at Charlie 19. So once it comes on here, we do a full pre-flight on the airplane. You can see Mark is getting everything going. Kind of like as you saw before, when I used to do all this stuff. Bringing the airplane to life. Now you've got a professional to watch get this stuff done, because
all my mistakes will be professionally done.
Professionally made mistakes, correct. Oh, it looks like they're training a bunch of guys down there. So, hey, we are hiring here at Southwest, so if you are looking for a job, pilot or whatever, you guys come apply. Come on work for a good company.
Come on down.
Come on down.
Happy to have you.
That's right. So, all right, we're gonna get our stuff ready. We'll let you know what we're doing as far as the clearance and all that stuff. I'm gonna watch Mark do the pre-flight reminisce. It's our clearance right now. Zeppelin Austin has filed 8,000 feet. We've got that set there. And 23 and 3 minutes, 19.2's departure. We've got a squawk in there. This is what it's gonna be. So we're just gonna cruise on up. There's the departure. This is the weather deal. So there's really no weather out there to speak of. It's kind of nice, kind of unusual for this time of year in Phoenix. But it's our departure out. Pick up the arrival. It's just a short. That's that little en route spot. So then we pick up the arrival. So really quick, 43 minutes of flying time today. So should be a nice and easy one. Yeah, it's a pretty benign day. So take a bunch of people over to Vegas post Labor Day. So anyways, yeah, that's it. It was awesome flying with Mark. Flew with Mark all over the world, literally, like from Europe to Asia and the Middle East. We flew all over the place, so it's really cool, real special to get to fly with him today. I saw the trip in giveaway because obviously I'm not senior enough to hold turns, so I saw someone was giving this away. It was Mark was on it, so I decided to jump on it. So it's the only way I'm doing it. Anyway, all right, guys, we're gonna head over to Vegas now. We'll see you in Vegas. We are in Vegas. Marcus,
What's up?
How was the landing?
It was beautiful. I laughed, I cried, I bought the movie. It was amazing.
That was all good. We actually had a runway change, so we're planning to do the RNAV visual into runway 19 left. So a little different. Usually we're landing on the Usually we're landing on runway 26, but 19 left this time. Roll down to Bravo, which is a little farther than usual. Back up Charlie, and then we ended up parking here. So it's actually not bad. We walked an hour. Flight time of 44 minutes, really quick. Now we got to go running. Go do it again on another airplane, so I'll feel bad for Mark. Although I did do his walk-arounds, right?
Did. Props, props there. That was impressive.
Strategic.
Back to ground speed 0.
Yeah,
again.
yeah, there you go. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next airport. Mark just gave a fabulous brief. It was so eye-watering.
I know, wasn't it?
I just couldn't believe it.
It is like textbook.
Mark, I was telling everybody that we have flown literally around the world with each other.
We truly have. There's probably not a place we haven't flown together.
That's true.
Maybe San Diego, which is where we're going right now.
I'll ask, best TDY.
What's that?
What was the best TDY?
Best TDY. Well, you weren't on that one, but I would say Guam was a nice TDY, and everywhere you went outside of it.
Okay.
That was a nice one.
I was going to say Gallenkirchen.
Gallenkirchen is.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, I take it back.
See,
some of the memories are starting to come back. It was Gallenkirchen did a walk-off.
That's true. That's true. It's out there in Germany. It's just one of the best TDYs I think I've ever been on, and we had a lot of good fun there.
Yeah, we did.
It's good fun.
Some you can share, some you can't.
That's correct.
But it's in a great part of Europe. You can see so much there.
Yes.
Just driving distance or train from just about any country you want to go see.
Yep.
That was a good time.
Yeah. Did we go to Ireland? Were you on that trip?
Oh, we did. That's right. Yep. Always fly Southwest. Don't fly Ryanair. We flew Ryanair to Ireland, and that. Remember how miserable that experience
yeah.
was?
We also didn't sleep all night, so that's probably that probably also didn't help. So.
Had something to do with it.
Yeah. All right, guys. Anyways, we are out of here to radar 2 to level, then as file. We'll climb to the SID. 2810 4630. Here's actually stand by. All right, guys. Here is our flight. It's basically heading straight down. It is almost a departure to an arrival getting into San Diego, so it's a nice ride on the way down there. One thing out of Vegas, it happens from time to time, but we're taking off runway 8 left at Alpha 8, so a little bit different. You know, obviously it's night out, so you know, taxiing is going to be up to that guy.
Yeah.
Be straight. But
especially for an AM, right?
That's right. Yeah, because Mark knows I like AM, so I don't fly very many PMs. But that's it. We are right at our push time right now, and well, you can't see, but we still got a little bit of passengers to go. So we're going to do what I can to make up time en route and get to San Diego, and then we got one more leg after that back to Phoenix. So we'll see you in San Diego. We got one more leg. It's a real easy one. It's San Diego back to Phoenix, a quick 50 minutes. Here's our route of flight on air. I first have to say that Mark had a really nice landing. I was looking at the HUD, and the HUD tells you when to flare, believe it or not. And Mark waited just a half a second more before he flared, and I was like, oh! And it actually worked out really good, so hey!
Hey, you know what they say, humility is only a landing away.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So it was good. It was good. But here we go, last leg over to Phoenix, a real quick one. Just hug the border out by Yuma, and then on up for the arrival into Phoenix. Planning to land to the west right now, so 25 left. But that's it. You know, 50 minutes on the way down the road. We're back in Phoenix. Actually, we got the new gates, Delta 14, so new terminal. Kind of new.
But, due to us.
Due to us. It's all good. But anyways, let's turn on the light. We're done.
That's right. I'll have a good one.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Again, thanks for Worley for being a good sport about all this.
Oh man, no problem. Good times always.
All right, man. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Hey, we'll see you again next week.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.